Welcome back to another video. So this is my new project. This is a Phatmoto frame. It came with that engine mounted in there. It came with the wheels off. Something pretty crazy was because it was sitting on that sprocket over there. See that? Yeah, the whole frame is resting on that sprocket. This bottom bracket's bent, so I got to get a new bottom bracket. Fork stanchion's totally shot. The fork that came with this is just awful. It's gonna need a new grip here. What else is there? Yeah, this throttle cable that it came with was just in absolutely horrifying shape. The guy had it clamped up to there. What else? The jack shaft, when he removed it, had a whole bunch of dirt inside of there because there's a hole in here that goes up and allows dirt in from there. So I got to find a way to plug that hole up so dirt doesn't get inside. What else is there? Two bad brakes. And yeah, I got this gas cap with no vent in there. What's going to happen is the motor is going to stall out because, you know, it's sucking the fuel in from one way, and there's nowhere for the pressure to get released. So I got this kit. It comes with a drill bit and a couple of gas cap vents. Comes with a wrench. I'm about to install that. Let's see what else we got. We have RockShox Recon Silver TK. That's the new fork that I'm going to be putting on this one. As you can see, it is a straight tube. What else we got here? Boy. Yeah, this thing was in terrible shape. That engine is awful. It has no compression whatsoever. What else? What else is there about this bike? Yeah, it was just in horrifying shape. The guy that had this on before greased the living shit out of the chain and never maintained it. So there's all these grease stains here. You guys, this used to be white. Look at it now. It is awful. And you can see the guy put some miles on it too, because boy, is there some gunk on there. I had a Honda GX160 clone that I put on this one. It wouldn't mount upright. I couldn't exactly get it to fit perfectly, so I had to scrap that idea. So I guess I'm going to be looking for another 79cc motor to go on this bike. I'm thinking about doing the Harbor Freight Predator 79. The only issue is that I can't find one from Harbor Freight. I want to get it new. So yeah, I can't find one from Harbor Freight, but as soon as it becomes available, you better believe I'm going to be putting that on there. What else is there? Boy, yeah, this is one hell of a project. Oh yeah, these jack shaft bearings. These jack shaft bearings are, one, they were shot, so I had to remove them. Two, very difficult to find. I think it's a 9/16 on the inside, and it is remarkably difficult to find a 9/16 on the inside with a 138. You guys, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, that I could promise you, those bearings are not easy to find. What else? Yeah, this wheel came without the tire on it and no tube, so I had to go ahead and do that. It's an easy job. Just a fucking bicycle tire. Yeah, this is one hell of a project. You know, this is not exactly street legal, so I'm not going to be riding in the streets for OHV only. Yeah, I guess I'm going to end the video because the dog is whining now and she probably wants me to go to her. Alright, you guys take care, and if you guys have any pointers or tips or anything you want to know about this project, let me know. I still got the CT125. I'm still working on that thing. It's still my daily. This is just a little something on the side. Yeah, and if any of you want this motor for parts or anything like that, you know, let me know. I'll let this go for cheap, man. Like really, really cheap. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end this video here, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. And yeah, this is my project. Peace.